Hi kids, so today we're gonna color these birds and the bird houses.
Yes, but you have to you. You don't help me.
Okay, I won't help you. You're gonna do it on your own. Alright, let's do a challenge. Who wins first? You take two birds. Okay, you take two birds. You color green and pink. This bird is gonna be green and this bird is gonna be pink.
But you don't help me.
Okay, and these birds will be mine. I'll do them. I'll color them into, I think I'm gonna do yellow and I'm gonna do pink bird. Let's do that. Here you go. I won. Hey, I colored it pink and yellow and you just did green. Okay. I'll help you. I'll help you so that you can finish it quickly. Okay, do it quickly. Do it. And I'm gonna color my flowers into pink. And I'm gonna do this one.
I finished it.
Yellow. There you go. So I colored this pink. I colored this yellow. You colored big kiddo. You colored this green, and you colored this red. And my flowers, this is pink, yellow, and your flower is red. Good job. Let's color the house, bird house now. So I'm gonna color this bird house, and you're gonna color this one and this one. Okay? Good job. So now you colored all.
Now we are gonna color this light brown.
Light brown? All of them?
We're gonna color this light brown.
Okay, let's do it. Where's light brown?
Let me go.
Do you see light brown in this one? I think it's dark brown you're talking about. That's dark brown. Okay, let's do it dark brown. Let's do it dark brown because you already did the roof into light brown. So let's do that dark brown now. You're gonna color the house with this color?
Yeah.
Okay, and how about mine? What color is gonna be my house? There are three of them. Choose three colors. Choose two more colors.
No, these two are mine.
You're gonna color them both into blue? No, do one blue and the other one do pink.
These ones are mine. This one is yours.
Alright, but let's choose colors. Choose two more colors.
I should go dark green and dark blue.
Let me see. What colors are they?
Dark green, dark blue.
Okay, choose one more color for me. I'll do pink.
You can do pink and purple.
Pink and purple.
Yeah. You can do pink and purple out.
Alright, so your house is gonna be dark green and dark blue, and my birdhouse is gonna be pink.
I'm winning now.
Yeah, you're winning.
You lose. I win. You have to do this too?
No. Okay.
Green, blue, red, 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 brown.
And this is pink.
Brown,
That's yellow. That's red. That's blue. This is blue. Good job. So you're done coloring all this page. There you go. We're done coloring this picture. It's a super cool picture you did. Good job. If you like our video, kids, please subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye.